Hello, I'm Josh from the support team, and today I'm going to be showing you to do a client install of the timeware software. So first off, what we need to do is we need to head to a computer that already has timeware installed. If we open up the File Explorer, we navigate to where timeware directory is. So on this PC it's Windows C drive, Program Files x86, timeware software, timeware, tdata file. We are going to need to copy the SQL connection file. So what I will do is I will copy it, I'll paste it to the desktop, and then I'm going to compress it to a zip file and just email that either to the person who's having timeware installed, or I can put it in a shared folder, whatever suits you best. And then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to head over to the machine where timeware needs installing. So now, as you can see, we are on the new machine where timeware needs installing. So what we need to do is open your browser of choice. We're going to head to nmd3hosting.com, and once we're there, we're going to then scroll down to timeware professional, scroll down timeware professional 2024. If you are on an early version of timeware, please do get in touch with support or raise a ticket and just let us know, and we'll send you over a link to download the version that you are currently on. So now that this is downloaded, I will go to my downloads folder. As you can see, I now have the installer, and this is the SQL connection that I sent to myself from the computer where timeware is already installed. So what I will do is I will just extract this folder quickly because we will need the file out of it shortly. I'll save that down there. So now what we want to do is right click on the installer, run as administrator. Yes. I'm not sure if you can see that, but I had a pop-up just asking me if I want to make changes to the computer, to which I said yes. Now that it's loaded, we press next, agree to that, and we go to custom, choose the directory and press next. It will then ask us, do you want to install the client and the server version? We want to untick the server version because we are only doing the client. Hit next. Now it's asking to make sure that the destination is correct. We press next, and now that will start installing. As you can see, the installer is now finished. So then we hit finish. Now we want to come to the SQL connection file. I'm going to cut it, and then I'm going to head to the location of the timeware directory that we have just made. Timeware software, timeware. Then we want to go into tdata again, and now we want to paste the SQL connection file in there. And if we close out, run timeware, you can see that that's now installed, and we just need to log in. So I will log in with my credentials. If you do not have currently a login, then you just need to create a ticket at timeware.org, or you can give us a call on 01706 658 222, and we will assist you as best we can. Thank you for watching.